everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. Oh my goodness, you guys. We just had the most crazy rainstorm here. It was just coming down in buckets, and I think it's stopped now, so you shouldn't hear any thunder or rain on the video. I was like, we gonna flood? Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I am an online Avon rep, which means that I use my e-store as the vehicle of getting everything to you guys. So what you do is you order online from my e-store. Shipping is free on $60 or above. And then I do videos in order to share the products with you guys because I do buy a lot of demos and I use a ton of Avon myself. So I have access to a lot of the products and I like to show you guys online. And I like the fact that you can order online and get it delivered right to your house. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go below all the links on YouTube. There's a link to my e-coupons. You're going to want to give your name and email, sign up for my e-coupons, and I do a little newsletter like every 2 weeks. I don't do a lot of email. And then if you want to order, that link is below too. So we're actually moving into campaign 24. This is going to start online on Tuesday. What is that, the 27th? Oh my gosh, I can't believe October is almost over. But a lot of people are interested in the Parisian collection, including me. I just reviewed the Ooh La La, the Eiffel Tower perfume. It's adorable. Oh my gosh. That is something that a lot of people are buying for Christmas. They're super cute. And then the other thing that everyone is interested in, of course, is the bubble bath cat. Her name is Yvette this year. Last year we had the black cat and the pink cat, I believe. And then I don't know if they're coming out with another cat, like maybe they're going to do another color before Christmas. I don't know. We still have, I didn't see it in campaign 25, but 26, who knows? I haven't seen anything in that campaign yet. So anyway, this year's cat is kind of a really pretty teal green. I wish my lights wouldn't reflect so much. Bring it back here. Can you see the color? Really pretty shade. It's got a handle on it. So this one is 23.6 ounces of product. These are $34. And like I said, her name this year is Yvette. Kind of a collectible for people. A lot of people collect these. It says Avon on the back. The only thing that I thought was kind of strange was that, now this comes wrapped really, really well. Tightly wrapped in like saran wrap, so it's not going to leak. And the head comes off, and I thought there was a way to like screw the head back on, but it seems like the head just sits on the cat. This is actually like a decal for the neck. But the only thing you have to be careful about is if you've got this sitting on the side of the tub and you go to pick it up, the head will come off. So you don't want to like tip it over because it's kind of tippy the way it's tall. But it is sealed really well. There's a safety seal on the top. Smells really good. It's a fruity floral. You know me, I usually don't like florals, but I kind of like this one. This one smells really good, and I did try it out. Nice lathery bubble bath. This is something that a lot of people, they gift these. This is such a unique gift. I don't think I've ever seen anything out there like this. People love Avon, so it's kind of like a high-end fun gift to get. Like I said, they're $34 in campaign 24. And, you know, we're all stuck at home, so it's kind of hard to get out and shop for Christmas this year. So it's kind of nice. I'm doing a lot of my Christmas shopping on Avon this year, too, because you can just deliver it. And you can actually gift this to someone via Avon. So, for example, if you're in my e-store, you can buy this and have it shipped to someone, and you can put like a little gift note on it, which is really neat. And they're going to get this in the mail, very nicely sealed, and everyone will be happy because they got a really pretty cat in the mail for Christmas. So anyway, like I said, I am an online Avon rep. All my information is below. Yvette will be available October 27th online. Like I said, I don't know if these are going to sell out quickly. I don't know. These are super popular, you guys. So if you want one, I would consider buying it a little bit early. I can't remember if they sold out last year. Honestly, I just don't remember. But you never know, because some of the Christmas stuff tends to get real popular. So anyway, thank you for hanging out with me this Friday night. check out Mr. Kitty. Actually, it's Miss Kitty. Her name is Yvette. I will see you guys really soon. I got more of the Paris collection to review. Bye-bye.